How's it going, YouTube people? How are you? Welcome everyone, because you clicked at the right time and the most precise moment to enjoy this new video. Thanks for being here. Well guys, today we are going to unlock or jailbreak this iPhone in its latest version of iOS that Apple presented today, or rather launched today. iOS 18.3.2. It already has this version, and we are going to try to unlock it with a card, MKS Ultra, right? We'll unlock it with this card, but for that I'm going to show you that the device is indeed locked, okay? So that you don't think we're doing any trick, right? Or we're doing something to make it supposedly work, but no. And again, we'll see that the device is locked, and soon the lock message will appear. You will see, and here is the lock message. This means that the device is indeed locked for all networks. Well then, we're going to take the card out of the packaging. As you can see, here is the MKS of Ultra. Yes, this is one of the newest on the market. I am going to take out the SIM card. All right, and here we are, right? So now I'm going to place the card in its tray. We're going to put it here like this. I'm doing everything with one hand. It's a bit difficult, but not impossible.
Here it is. Ready. Perfect.
We already have it in its packaging.
There it is.
You just look, but it's there, right? Whoa, we're going to place it inside the equipment. You can see I'm placing it here. Let's wait for the card to do its job. Yes. Here is the card menu. We are going to wait for it to show up again. Here is the menu. I am going to select option number 3. Now we are going to select the original company or the original carrier of the device. In this case, it is T-Mobile, and we press accept. The carrier of the device, I mean the iPhone, the carrier it belongs to, AT&T, T-Mobile, Sprint, whichever of those. And you're going to insert the SIM card you need, right?
Great. Perfect. As you can see, we already have a signal.
There it is. Let's test if it browses the internet. Ready? Ready? It is browses the internet without any problems. No problem, right? Let's make a call to check that it works.
Welcome to the NA call center. We are happy to assist you. I inform you.
As you see, it was somewhat easy and simple to do, right? With an RSIM MKSD, which is an MKSD Ultra, and we were able to unlock it, right? And I'm going to show you that indeed, the card is in place, and here it is, right? If you want to know tricks, tips, details, advice, I will leave the links in the video description. so you can learn how to unlock all iPhone models, and so you can learn to use all the card brands, right? And other extra videos just in case you have no data, no signal, no calls. So I'll also leave you that video so you can learn to solve all those problems, right? As you can see, it was easy and simple to do. So that's all, guys. See you. Take care. Until next time. Bye.